Let's open the gate. Wow, what is that?
Just wait.
Si Atara po ay mag-open ng gate. Hindi naman para sa kanya. Siya lang magbubukas. The other one, there's more. Wow! What is that? So cute.
I thought it was Elsa. I want
Wow.
Elsa, not this.
Wow. Thank you, Tito Jandy.
And where's my gift? No, this is my gift.
Ano naman si Amara?
Nag-aagawan sila sa regalo. Hindi naman sa kanila. Oh, this is for the...
What's this?
This is mine.
Amara, give me this.
Cute naman ito.
Amara, what?
Nag-aagawan po sila ng regalo. Pero hindi naman sa kanila. Sila lang magbubukas. Wow! Wow,
Now we can eat
nice.
your okay.
Oh, careful.
Ooh,
Oh.
it comes with a cool cup. Mine.
There's 2 cups here.
No, this one comes with a cool cup.
It's beautiful.
Wait, this looks like one of our popsicles.
Oh, sarap daw pag-inuman, sabi ng Tito Johnny. Yan, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yan. May pang ano na kami, pang juice. Ang aming mga pitcher dito ay puro pang mga plastic. Kaya lang, dati may mga babasagin ako ngayon. Ayan, may babasagin, pero ang cute-cute naman. Shout out everyone again. Thank you. Nag-unbox lang ang aking little girl. I-vlog ko daw.